You know on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives how I like to find the funkiest joints in town? Well, I found one here in Memphis, Tennessee, in a strip mall by the airport. It's a place called Uncle Lou's, and he's doing chicken one of my favorite ways, fried and dipped.
Chicken number 123.
This is the best way to get chicken.
One homestyle, one dip.
Make the tongue slap your brains out.
That's called Uncle Lou's? Yeah, we got the honey dip, the home style, either the spicy.
One more.
You always come back to Uncle Lou's.
In the world of chicken, how does this rate?
Right at the very top.
It's awesome. It's better than home cooking.
It's Uncle Lou's home cooking.
I've kind of been cooking just about all my life. Alrighty, 8 piece.
A few years ago,
You doing all right?
Lewis Martin opened his own joint,
What we got going now?
doing chicken the way his great-grandmother did.
Can you get all this out by yourself?
And folks just went nuts.
I drove 30 miles to come eat here.
No kidding.
That's how good it is.
The chicken and the sauce.
You gotta try this. This is bananas. And bananas is good. You know that, though, don't you?
And get this, he's even frying it whole.
Oh, my gosh.
And the crowd
How y'all doing?
keeps packing in.
How's it going, guys?
Good old-fashioned Southern chicken. You see the greasy hands and everything.
This chicken is fresh, it's hot, and it's tasty.
Now, who made this recipe?
The basis came from my great-grandmother. All-purpose flour. Seems like quite a bit, doesn't it? Black pepper.
What is this, a ratio of 2 to 1?
Close to like 3 to 1. A little salt. Got a little onion. A little garlic. Guess what the other one is?
Cinnamon.
Hey,
Is it cinnamon?
that's what it is.
I'm not
It's a
kidding.
new one, isn't it?
That is the first. Okay, so we just dredge. Oh, so this doesn't go in a wash or anything?
No.
And this is how your grandma did it.
My great-grandmother.
Do you dredge it in the mixture to order?
We do. Cook the order. You want to shake the excess off, because we like to have a light coating.
Thigh first, then the drum, then the breast.
Wing.
Oh, you're gonna go wing, then the breast. So that breast is even gonna cook faster than that little wing ding.
Bingo.
And we play bingo.
12 minutes. Let me set the timer here. Good golden brown.
Hey, guess who's dumb enough to take a bite of that right now?
Nobody.
Evidently, you haven't seen the show.
That's home style.
Home style. That's good.
Thank you.
Good crunch.
That's why we don't do the egg wash.
You cook that chicken skin, that's that crunchy chicken skin that people like. I can hear that sauce calling my name.
It has to be something special he puts in the sauce. It's not like any chicken I've ever had anywhere else.
Is it like a barbecue sauce?
No, it's more like a buffalo wing sauce.
Whose recipe is this?
This one is mine.
This is yours.
This one is mine. Red wine vinegar, Louisiana Cajun chef.
We're still in Tennessee, though, right?
We're still in Tennessee.
Now, what do we add?
Those are spices gonna go in big.
Garlic, chili powder, or wow, chili powder. Wow, salt. I love pepper.
That paprika.
It's got to be onion, celery salt. That's the sugar. Lemon pepper. Smoke.
Hickory smoke. All righty. This is called corruption.
It's called the corruption.
Corruption. Once you've tasted it, you've been corrupted.
Really?
Bingo.
Bingo. In.
And as soon as it comes to a boil, I try to get the corruption in as soon as possible because we don't want the vinegar to evaporate.
Now, when's the honey going?
Right now.
We turn off the heat.
And then we double honey. Honey dip sauce.
Yeah.
Complete.
Oh,
Different.
no, money. That's like sweet, spicy love.
Note that. Name change. No longer honey dip sauce. Sweet spicy love.
It's gonna go in our sauce. Do we ladle over?
We call it honey dip, not honey ladled.
That's it. Oh, look at that. Wow, man. You're close to getting a hug right now. We're just gonna leave it at that.
All right.
You get the vinegar, backs up with the sweetness.
And just a little heat.
Want a little more heat?
I gotta try more spicy.
No problem. Uncle Lou's got that too.
We have a less spicy and a more spicy.
You just have spicy?
Spicy is the less spicy.
You gotta start with a spicy.
Right, and then we made a more spicy, which made the original spicy less spicy.
Did I just buy that street? How do we make it more spicy?
200 heat cayenne pepper.
That's what I'm talking about.
Just hot enough to make you thirsty. Won't make your hair stand on end.
Just let you. Wow,
Exactly.
I knew you understood.
And Uncle Lou's no one-hit wonder.
2 jumbo cheeseburgers.
Folks are loving whatever he's cooking. Like honey-dipped fried bologna.
When I say good, it is good.
And a dipped smoked sausage sandwich.
Just soaks in the bread and it's great.
And jumbo cheeseburger?
It's just a cheeseburger to have.
He makes a real good monster burger here.
But even with all that,
Stuff gets better every time I eat here.
the name is still Uncle Lou's Fried Chicken. and he's taking it to the max.
Whole fried chicken?
That's our signature item. I can stand with that.
Must make a mess on paper. So we're gonna inject the bird.
Cajun Creole butter.
Like something you buy. So you move it around a little bit, there you go. But you don't go through the skin because then it can have a chance to leak. Now you have to be a little bit choosy about the marinade you do because it's got a bunch of sugar in it to burn your oil.
Exactly. Legs and thighs first.
40 minutes?
40 minutes.
You gonna dunk it or serve it?
We're gonna dunk it.
Look at that.
That's the magic.
The corruption. By the way, I am taking the corruption home with me.
All right.
Oh my gosh. You can really pick up the flavor of that garlic butter.
You really don't need a knife.
Look how tender and juicy that is. And that's it. It's not really oily. I think people think, oh, you fried it. It's got to be all oily. Take our first family photo. Looks like us, doesn't it? You're off the chain, man. I got to tell you. Wow, that's good. This is like real chicken.
Oh, exactly.
What do you think?
Oh, it is. It's very good chicken.
It's great. It's wonderful.
Hot wings here are great.
Mama don't even cook it better than that.
You ever had this chicken? It's crazy. You got a lot to be proud of. Thank you. If you live within 300 miles of this joint, you should be getting yourself over here. Right quick now. You know what I do? Chicken's free. Napkins are $500 each.